Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the simplest, most enjoyable, and most natural way. You don't need to memorize grammar rules. Just listen attentively and watch this video several times. That's how you'll truly absorb the language and the culture without even realizing it. Today's topic is calm, elegant, and full of tradition. We're talking about the Masters, one of the most important and respected golf tournaments in the United States. Even if you've never played golf before, by the end of this video, you'll understand why this event holds such a special place in American sports culture. The Masters is held every April in Augusta, Georgia, at the world-famous Augusta National Golf Club. It's one of 4 major tournaments in professional golf and is often considered the most prestigious of them all. But what makes it so unique isn't just the competition. It's the tradition, the setting, and the incredible respect for the game of golf. One of the first things people notice about the Masters is the beautiful course. Augusta National is famous for its perfectly manicured greens, colorful flowers, and peaceful, almost magical atmosphere. Every part of the course is designed with elegance and history in mind. It's not just a place to play golf. It's a symbol of excellence. The tournament is full of traditions. For example, the winner receives a green jacket, which has become one of the most iconic awards in sports. Only Masters champions and a few special club members are allowed to wear it. There's also the Champions Dinner, where past winners gather for a private meal chosen by the defending champion. Another reason the Masters is so important in the U.S. is because golf itself has deep roots in American culture. It's seen as a sport that combines discipline, patience, and strategy. It's also a social activity. Many business deals and friendships are formed on the golf course. Some of the greatest names in golf have made history at the Masters, from Jack Nicklaus and Arnold Palmer to Tiger Woods, whose emotional win in 2019 reminded everyone of the power of perseverance and passion. For fans, watching the Masters isn't just about the sport. It's about witnessing personal stories, quiet determination, and moments of greatness. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning why golf, and especially the Masters, is so important in the U.S., don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's a great chance to reinforce your English and discover even more about American traditions. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue bringing you the best educational content. See you in the next adventure.